Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Is it okay to use a kerosene heater indoors? Kerosene heater indoor air pollutants. Do kerosene heaters emit carbon monoxide? Yes, more so when operated improperly. Always operate your kerosene heater in a well-ventilated room. Airflow with a cracked window or door will protect you from the buildup of toxic fumes. Is kerosene safer than propane? Kerosene is combustible, burns strongly and offers a strong amount of heat. Yet propane is by far the cleaner burning of the two fuels, and it's usually much easier to find and buy. Next, you'll want to consider how long each type of heater will keep you warm.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.